It's finally spring and time to celebrate spring holidays. Easter and Passover are the perfect occasions for holiday entertaining, and the Nordic Ware Factory Store has all you need. Make all their favorites, from roasts to buns to grand-size popovers to cute Easter-themed desserts. Shop local and visit the Nordic Ware Factory Store in St. Louis Park today.
All right, Monday night meal time. You know, it is nice to start off with something really healthy and fresh. And our friend Nickie Carrigan, she knows a thing or two about feeling good, being healthy. She's a fitness expert. She's a nutrition coach. This is her lifestyle. But she always comes at it from like a nice non-judgmental perspective.
Oh, 100%.
Which I'm a fan of.
Yeah, so she's here with a super easy Monday night meal that you can make even healthier just by swapping out one ingredient for another. Hey, Nickie.
Hi.
I feel very bizarre that we're not doing some sort of like, you know,
we can do it
stretch or
while
We could do
movement.
balancing.
Yeah, so we should like a flamingo. We could just like do one-legged like balance.
This is a good idea.
I know. It's good to see you.
You too. Thanks
Yeah,
so much
thanks for
having
doing
me.
this.
We're delighted. We're going to do a little simple salad with you, but do you want to introduce us to your new best
Oh my
friend?
gosh, this is my favorite thing, the Ninja Crispy. It's from Costco, and I mean, you probably find it anywhere. But I love this thing. This thing lifts off. It has these glass containers with this nice lifted piece in the inside, metal piece, and it has multiple sizes, and then this has a little adapter to fit the larger size
The container.
And then
it has a little lid.
So you can make the food. If you don't finish it, your leftovers, you just put this thing on top.
Okay, so it's an air fryer.
Yeah.
But the air fryer, I think, for me, it's the one thing that has like a non-stick coating on it that I have been thinking, I got to ditch this.
Yes. Yep. That's why I ditched it. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't take the smell of ours anymore.
Yeah.
It was just,
Well, it's burning chemicals,
open the windows,
so
like,
Well,
yeah.
And like you said, this is all glass, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yes.
Cool.
I know, really
Okay,
cool.
so what did you put in it?
So I put in Caulipower chicken tenders. So number one, I mean, if you've watched anything that I've made before, usually most of the things I make are gluten-free. I eat gluten-free. My son has celiac. It's just something that we've just adopted in the house. I have gluten issues, but you don't have to have gluten issues to, use what I use. So Caulipower chicken tenders are amazing. You get that chicken tender without the breading that can sometimes upset people's gut health.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, a lot of times they toss this stuff in different oils, and this brand is actually really, really clean, minimally processed, really delicious.
Oh, that's
So
good.
it is a chicken tender. It's
is
just
a
got the
chicken tender.
cauliflower flour as the bread.
I thought
Yes,
it might be
and
like
some
fake
rice.
chicken. So this
It's
is
not.
nice. Thank
yes, Yes, it is chicken. I know. I'm not. No judgment on the other stuff, but I prefer,
Yes.
real thing.
I want it raised on a farm, not in a lab. Okay. So then how do we put together this easy little salad?
So this is like the ultimate shortcut. Weeknight meal. It can be on your table in 15 minutes.
Good.
Throw the chicken into the air fryer. There's a button on here that I like. It's Max Crisp. Most of them have this. At whatever kind you have.
Okay.
Max Crisp, and then follow the package directions, maybe like 10 to 12. I usually do 10 minutes.
But you could do it in the oven if you don't have an air
yes.
fryer.
And
Okay.
I mean, you could use grilled chicken breasts.
Yeah.
You could do anything you want. But like this, it's already cooked. So all you're doing is like lifting the temperature and getting it delicious, right?
Easy.
Yeah, and getting a little crispy, just like you said.
Yes,
Yeah.
so simple. So then I take a bag of coleslaw mix.
Okay.
And you don't have to, again, you could chop it, but a bag is really, really easy if you need to do something quick. I put it in a bowl, and then I add the dressing, which is so good. It is the Salad Girl apple maple dressing.
We love Salad Girl.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
I'm obsessed.
So good.
It's so good. You can obviously make your own dressing, but this, again, is already made, very easy, and it's high quality ingredients.
Yum.
Then we throw
Onions
in some
go in?
onion. Yep.
All right.
Okay.
Yep.
You wanna scrape it out of there?
Yeah, you know,
Get
I don't
every
like,
last
well, I don't
one?
have to get every last one, but most of them.
Yes, yep. Toss it in, and then we have some apples. So I grabbed a Honeycrisp apple and just chopped that into bite-sized pieces.
This is great.
And that's what I like too about this salad. Sometimes, like when you go to eat a salad and the leaves are so huge, you're like opening your mouth and like trying to get in there, and it's like this. You get nice forkfuls, and it's just gorgeous.
And it stays crunchy.
Option to throw some cheese in there.
Oh,
Now,
yeah,
I think
why not?
apples and cheese just go so well together. Sprinkle that on in.
Good.
Well, you know what Elizabeth really likes about this? This is not the pre-shredded stuff.
I know.
Yes.
You shredded this on your own.
Listen, I like a lot of shortcuts. I
Yep.
do not like pre-shredded cheese.
I don't
I've
either.
said it here before. They coat it in that cellulose cellulose. It's like it doesn't taste like cheese.
No.
It's no bueno. You
Yeah.
got to shred your own
Yes,
cheese.
I agree with you.
Okay,
I really
good.
prefer to do that. And then a little bit of sunflower seeds.
All right, that goes in now, or is it?
Yes, you can
Okay.
toss them in. I mean, you know, you can, this is like, you can freestyle this a little
Yeah.
bit too. And then with this, what I like to do, again, to just keep it in like those bite-sized pieces.
Just cut
I like
'em.
to take these and just chop them into nice pieces so that it also just has a little bit of extra love for it. And then this is your final product.
Thank you.
So here's a
yes.
little
I'm excited for
something.
this.
This is fun.
Yeah.
This is like a little chicken slaw salad that you would get at a restaurant. This is way cheaper, way healthier.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I wanted to try a chicken just on its own.
Yeah.
Because, you know,
Do it.
as you know, we
Yes.
talk about this all the time. I'm
Yep.
gluten-free as well.
Yep.
Those are great.
I know.
Oh my
I know.
gosh.
So good.
I like the combo here. I like the sesame seeds. It's a lot of flavor, but it's all very, very simple.
Very simple. And seriously, 15 minutes
Yeah.
probably, right? Like it's gonna take you about as long as these are cooking to chop all the stuff I just
Half the battle with the salad is just having somebody tell you what to put in it, and then you
Yes.
just are like, all right, now it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very good,
Yeah.
Nikki.
Yeah, good.
Good
glad you
choices
like
there,
it.
Nikki, and I
Wow.
think you should get some commission off of that.
Right? I know.
I'm your best friend. She carries it. She loves it so much.
All right, you can find this recipe posted on our website, or you can get it sent to you when you sign up for a weekly recipe newsletter. We're gonna have that link for you as well on our website.
Nikki's also offering you a deal, a 6-pack of group fitness classes. If you love her, you want to hang out with her. She's got a great gym. You can get that for just $97. You can click on the link to the warehouse for more information. I've been a very messy eater today. I've thrown tomato out of my mouth. Some of that cabbage
Choked on
went
your water
flying.
a little bit. It's okay. You're gonna be all right. Let's